So just going to show you how you can replace your wiper blades. Just go ahead and remove this up. You may want to set a rag or foam towel down here in case you drop this, because if you drop this windshield wiper rod without having a windshield wiper on it, it can crack the glass. So what you want to do is just to press this small little tab right here. So just tilt this back, grab this tab, depress it down, and press it out. Just give it a little wiggle, and she'll come right out. To reinstall, this is a J-hook style. You'll just go ahead and take your wiper blade. You'll make sure that the wiper arm rod goes inside of that little fitting right there. Wiggle it in there, pull it back to hear it click, give it a little shake test, and you're all set. You'll do that on the passenger side and the driver's side. They are two different sizes. Check the video description, we'll have that size in there for you.